Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Drago token. Name of the token is Drago, ticker symbol is also Drago. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain. Solana's been pretty popular lately. Also, dragon tokens have been very popular lately because this is the year of the dragon. So there's been a lot of crypto dragon tokens come out recently. And now we have Drago, which is a SOL token. And it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token's doing very well. I'm just looking at it on Birdeye here, and it says in the past 24 hours, it's up 25.2%. In the past 8 hours, it's up over 10%. 4 hours, it's up almost 10%. 2 hours, up 8%. 1 hour, up 12%. And 30 minutes, up 8%. So all green across the board here on Birdeye. Doing very well right now. At this moment, anything could change. Could change in literally 2 seconds. But right now, it's doing very well. Now, this token is on the Solana blockchain. So, Drago is a revolutionary cryptocurrency dedicated to commemorating the auspicious year of the dragon in 2024. Inspired by the rich symbolism and cultural significance associated with this mythical creature, Drago aims to captivate the global crypto community. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 16th at 8 o'clock UTC time. The Drago Network token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Drago, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, yes, tomorrow, January 16th, 8 o'clock UTC time. Now, this token already has 2,764 holders. There are 6 decimal places on this token. Their current price right now is about 14.3 cents per token. Current supply, 9,999,205 tokens. Their market cap is $1,431,706. And name of the token is Drago, and ticker symbol is also Drago. So they already have holders. They already have 2,764 holders. And those holders got this token in a decentralized way. Well, I would assume most of them. And if you go to their webpage, drago.network, there is a button. It says buy on Birdeye or buy on Raydium. They also could be available on Jupiter or Orca or some other SOL central exchanges, but those are the ones that are listed on their webpage. So if you were looking to get this token prior to the Mexc Global announcement, you can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Solana wallet, whatever you use. You could use Coinbase, Coin98, you name it, Phantom, whatever wallet has SOL in it that's decentralized. And you go into the dApps, either find Birdeye, Raydium, or maybe Jupiter, and then you would trade your SOL for the Drago token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, drago.network. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. We'll try to find that in a second. So it says 2024, the year of the dragon. Rest assured that Drago will make you happy with big X's. LPs are burned. Everything is in your hands. Get on Birdeye or Raydium, and then they have the contract address. They have a link to their Telegram and their Twitter. Their Telegram is at Drago Forward, and their Twitter, I'm going to put on the screen right here, at Drago_Solana. So they have a live chart right on their webpage too. You can check out how Drago's doing. So Drago is a revolutionary cryptocurrency dedicated to commemorating the auspicious year of the dragon. So they aim to captivate the global crypto community with its unique features and potential for growth. Built on the Solana network, Drago guarantees rapid transaction speeds with low fees, transparency, and immutability. The total supply is 10 million tokens. It must be deflationary because it's gone down since it's a 10 million. Now it's 9 million, something like that. So it says, embracing the spirit of the dragon, Drago 2024 offers investors and enthusiasts an opportunity to ride the wave of prosperity and good fortune. This cryptocurrency embodies the dragon's attributes of power, strength, and wisdom, fostering a sense of resilience and determination within its community. Built on the Solana network, Drago guarantees rapid transaction speeds and low fees, transparency and immutability, ensuring that each transaction is securely recorded and verified. Furthermore, Drago is committed to fostering a vibrant and inclusive community, encouraging collaboration and knowledge sharing among its members. Regular updates, educational resources, and community-driven initiatives ensure that every participant has the opportunity to engage and contribute to the growth of Drago in 2024. By combining the allure of the dragon in the year of the dragon with the cutting-edge world of crypto, Drago presents a unique investment opportunity for those seeking to align themselves with the spirit of prosperity and fortune. Join the Drago community today. Embrace the power of the dragon in the world of cryptocurrency. So they have here, it's kind of a meme roadmap. Just basically some of this is like get a central exchange listing, token launch, you know, bigger market cap, first central exchange listing, but nothing really, like it doesn't seem to have any actual utilities. It's just a meme token. How the token split up, 50% goes to liquidity, 25% marketing, 12.5% community, and 12.5% team and long vesting. So besides that, this token's getting a brand new central exchange listing. You can check out their Birdeye chart. It's linked right on their page if you want to find more info about this token. And yeah, it looks like it is also on Orca. You can get it on there as well. So all sorts of different ways you can get the token prior. It looks like it's on CoinGecko as well. This token is listed on CoinGecko. You can find the contract address on CoinGecko as well. But yeah, getting listed on Mexc Global tomorrow. So check out all the referral codes down there if you don't have an Mexc Global account. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.